Quick and dusty tip.
So a lot of us have run into a problem where we're flush cutting with a flush cut saw similar to this one, and it ends up marring the surface, leaving cut marks, leaving saw marks because the teeth dig in, right? Well, there's a quick fix for that. It's pretty easy. All you do is you take your masking tape, and I've got to flush cut these little bow ties here, and I've got them all flush cut except for this last one, and I've used this trick on all of them except for one, and only one has gotten a little a little messed up. So I use it here too. So we're going to take our masking tape, we're going to press it down really firm around whatever you're trying to flush cut, and this can be flush cutting, you know, dowels or joints or whatever else you're going to use to flush cut. And then when you flush cut, you're going to be cutting on top of this. Even if you mess up the masking tape a little bit, you're still going to be cutting on top of the masking tape, and then you'll just have to sand away the width of the masking tape, and so you're perfectly flush without marring your surface here. So let's cut this. Alright, so now this is a little raised off the surface, and we've only touched our surface a couple times, so I'll have to sand out a couple tiny little marks here and almost no marks. One little tiny mark there on the top surface. And we've got a nice flush cut without completely destroying our piece with saw marks. Especially in something like this big cedar cookie where I'm cutting oak bow ties and it's going to push into the soft material, and it would definitely leave marks all over this. So this is a nice little trick to have in your toolbox. I hope it's useful, and until the next video, you guys have a good one.
Quick and dusty tip.